Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is the 81 Toyota Starlet KP61. I really don't know what those numbers means. If you guys know, just mention that in the comments. I'll learn from there. So let me just unbox this and see how this one looks, because I can see this is a full metal casting. My friend actually bought this for me. So when he bought this for me, he told me that this is a full metal casting. That's the only reason I actually picked up this, or else I would have just asked him to not to get this. Okay, so let's have a closer look on this casting. Okay, the the paint job does have some issues here. You can see the paint job normally looks like it has a lot of issues, but this one actually has some issues. I mean, they could have just went with some kind of different livery, right? I don't know why they are always doing the same livery for all the ultra arts and they're pricing on the same range. Honestly, it's just waste of money at this point. So it has headlight details here, which is really nice. I mean, you can see the Starlet badging there. It has taillight details also, which is really nice. So it does have good interior detailing to it. Let me just, yeah. Okay. So this is a full metal casting, metal body, metal chassis, and it has chassis detailing to it, which looks really good. And the wheels are actually plastic, that is not rubber. So they usually give you a rubber wheels, either it's a STH or it's a premium. So not in between. Okay, let's weigh this casting now. Maybe hoping around 45 grams. Let's see. I'm really sorry for the background noise, guys. Okay, 39 grams. Okay, close. But I was hoping this to be a little bit on the higher side, maybe around 45 grams, given that it's full metal casting. And okay, let's do a roll test. That does roll really well. Okay, I was expecting that, to be very honest. It has a wheel wobble on the rear wheel. Front wheel wobbles a little bit, but compared to front wheel, rear wheel wobbles a lot. But it does roll really well. But if you are a modder, I mean a customizing person, this would be a great car to customize, because it is a full metal casting. You can swap out the wheels for some cool rubber wheels. I mean, the recent one, I think there is one tour bus, the premium one which they released, right? I did buy that. I will be unboxing that in this coming week. So you can, I think you can replace that wheels with this one. That will actually look really cool. So let's see if anyone actually does that. I really don't have that much patience, to buy this drill and everything and sit and do all those things. I'm not having that much of patience. So I will not at this age. Maybe when I was 25, and if I had that much money, or if I had this much, knowledge about Hotwheels back in that day, maybe I would have done that. But not right now. Okay. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.